Hey, this is Nat, and we're off our couch in Daytona Beach, Florida. We are in Central Florida, about 90 miles south of Jacksonville and 40 miles east of Orlando, and we are visiting One Daytona, a shopping complex that also offers dining and entertainment options, which is located across from Daytona Speedway. This is our second time walking around the complex, and we would like to do a full tour and video of this complex in the near future, since it has many fun options along with convenient free parking. So it's a great place to visit in our opinion. And if there's somewhere that you love to visit or you enjoy hanging out here in One Daytona, we would love to hear your suggestions. Please jot those down in the comments. For now, we will start breaking the task down of covering the whole complex with just one place first, and that is GameTime. GameTime is a 35,000 square foot entertainment center with a restaurant, full bar, bowling, and an arcade with more than 100 games. This is a great place to start our look at One Daytona because we have seen other GameTime locations. We briefly walked into the one in Kissimmee, Florida, so we have been curious. We've been wanting to check it out. Plus, it's been raining so much lately and hard too. So we did need a rainy day activity. So let's get to it. Like other entertainment complexes, you can eat and play here. They have combo packages that provide guests with both food and gameplay. Some combos include credits and some are unlimited play for a certain time period. So play as much as you can. But warning, some fine print here. The unlimited play does not give out e-tickets, just a warning, so there's no sad eyes at the prize counter. Plus the time cards cannot be shared. So it's just one person per unlimited play card. For right now, we're just getting food. Pizza, something everyone can agree on. This is Meet the Pizza. Meat as in M-E-A-T. I love it. I love the name. Everyone say hello. The pizza tastes really good, and this is enough to give us the energy to play for today. Behind us is a full bar, and when it's not nasty outside, the bar opens up on the outside of GameTime too, which I think is really cool. The games, sporting events are on all around us, but let's get to the action now. GameTime offers 12 lanes of bowling along with the more than 100 new and classic arcade games and prize machines, and we just picked up our play card worth 200 credits, and it is shareable, so all of us will be playing with this one card. We'll see how that goes. I mentioned the food and game credits combo just a little bit ago. We did get our game credits off of Groupon. I always recommend checking Groupon, especially if you're not really picky about what you want to do when you visit somewhere. We're always seeking different ways to save when we're off our couch, and if you have suggestions, leave those in the comments please about different ways you save money when you're off your couch. We love to share money saving and time saving tips on our videos and our monthly newsletter. If you didn't know already, we do have a newsletter. In addition to travel tips, we also deliver travel inspiration and travel stories, both the good and the bad, right to your inbox. If you yet to sign up, join us please. The sign up link is in the description and on our website at offourcouch.com. Well, the kids have the game card, as you can see, and have already started playing. You always have your classics like the old school arcade games, the basketball hoops and skee ball within the big arcade centers. I definitely consider skee ball a classic. I loved playing it as a kid. I still love it now. But it's kind of getting rare to find from my experience in the arcades now. I'm always looking for it though. It is definitely my favorite game. And my son has found his favorite game, The Speed of Light. He plays this game everywhere we go. So we'll leave him to enjoy that. And let's take a look around for just a little longer and have some more fun. That was fun. Now here comes the dread. I'm always trying to avoid coming to these prize machines because my daughter always wants to play and she never wins and is somehow disappointed each and every time and is in need of major comforting. But she actually won this time and I was so busy bracing for the breakdown I didn't even film it. And I don't know how many tickets she won either, but she won. She is happy. And it's time for the good and slow part now, where the kids take their time picking out their prizes. I just love this floaty. I want this for those beaches where everybody is floating around on the water in their own unique floaty. Like in Destin, I would fit right in with that in Destin, Florida. Well, the kids have their fun items. Thanks to my daughter's ticket win, they did pretty good and got to pick out a lot of different items. And look at that. After our few hours of eating and playing, it's not raining anymore and the sun is shining again. Thank you all so much for joining us here at Game Time. Thanks for eating and playing along with us. And let us know. Tell us what did you think about Game Time? Have you been to this location, plan to visit? Or are you thinking of visiting another location? We enjoyed this a lot. The kids had a great time. The pizza was tasty too. And as I stated in the very beginning, we do plan to fully explore One Daytona. So let us know what you're interested in seeing. And subscribe if you want to see more of this complex. Keep getting off the couch with us. And join us on the couch, please, for another adventure. Each and every Saturday, we're off our couch for a new adventure. And our next adventure takes us to a former Girl Scout camp, where we are in the market for a treehouse. Well, if we were camping, because at Camp Shawinwa, you can rent a treehouse, you can rent cabins, and since this is a former Girl Scout camp, like I just stated, there is history, a museum dedicated to the camp and its Girl Scout history. It is a beautiful and highly interesting place, so join us please next Saturday off the couch. And thank you so much for spending a rainy afternoon here with us in Daytona Beach at One Daytona in Game Time. Thank you for all of the likes, comments, shares, and suggestions. All of you join us off the couch week after week is what makes these adventures possible, so thank you. Until next week, click on the video to see another one of our experiences. Thanks for watching.